Virtual document control using Inforbix xTables. Imagine you need daily updates on the progress of a specific engineering project. The project involves several people in different roles and documents located in different departments. Here's how you can create a virtual document report that is always up to date each time you run it using Inforbix xTables. You want to do this by creating a document report from the Galley project. The documents needed were SolidWorks drawings drawn by Josh in engineering. They were last saved by Wanamaker in production and approved by Hill, the project manager. So let's start by searching for the SolidWorks drawings drawn by Josh. Inforbix now is going to return all the documents in the company that are associated with Josh, but we specifically want the SolidWorks drawings, so we're going to filter against that. Now Inforbix is going to quickly come back with probably hundreds of drawings by Josh. Josh is a busy engineer, and you can see here on the upper right hand side that there are quite a number of pages. Now we're going to go ahead and create a virtual document report using xTables. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to customize the columns of this report. And I see here that some of these might be useful, some of them may not be relevant for the report I want to create. So I'm going to choose the columns that I like to have. Now I talked about that I wanted the drawings by Josh and last saved by Wanamaker. They were approved by Hill, so I'm going to now go drag and drop here, and I need the project title, so I'm just going to move the title. I'm going to put it right next here to the image. So now I think that I will have the virtual table report that I'm looking for. So let's see, the title, drawn by, last saved, and approved by. Yeah, that makes sense. So now I want to filter all the documents to the ones that I specifically want to have. You'll note here on the bottom that we have over 492 such documents, and I want just some specific ones. So I want the documents that are specifically associated with the Galley project that were drawn by Josh. They were last saved by Wanamaker, and, pardon me, let me just fix that here, and they were approved by Hill. And I'm going to do a multiple sort of these columns. And now I'm going to go from 492 documents just to 4 documents. These are specifically now the documents that I want. They were part of the Galley project, they were drawn by Josh, they were last saved by Wanamaker, and they were approved by Hill. Now the beauty here is that if I'm going to be running this document report every day, I can go ahead and save this particular report, and I'm going to call it the Josh document. Oh, I can't spell, can I? Document Galley report, and I'm going to go ahead and save that. And what happens now is that I'm going to go back to the home page, and you see that I have the Josh document Galley report here. So if I come back to this a day or two later, or indeed once a day, Inforbix remembers the recipe of this particular report, and it will recreate it, and it will be using the latest and most available data, because I did say last saved by Wanamaker. So every time I view this, I can be assured and guaranteed that I'm going to be looking at the very latest and greatest documents that are relevant to this particular project. The last thing I want to quickly show you is that if I want to share this particular report with a colleague, I can go ahead and email this. Inforbix just basically utilizes your default email system and emails the URL or the link of that particular search. So it's like sending the saved recipe of that. So in summary, Inforbix offers a new way of getting the most out of your product data, right? It does so without the need of a database or moving your data around. Virtual document control using Inforbix xTables is an example on how to do so. Thank you.